Within the chief Jay Force.
You have for me.
Yeah, we Ukwada and also you Ukwada. Yeah.
Wash me with your blood.
Yeah, the gun that was saying Eddie Brown.
Only why the Ghana cause.
Yeah, the gun that was saying Eddie Brown.
Only why the Ghana cause. You people no. Muna mo support a man for jam fear for. Only why the Ghana cause. Muna mo support a man for no. A jam fear for no. Muna mo support to Ghana a man for no. Mo jam fear one no.
But then I'm a friend in BIA. I Ghana for support no.
No, me also CSOs ne NDC for so release can say makese.
British Commission.
What a Ghanaian cannot do in the UK. The UK cannot try so on side of Ghana. What do you mean? When I am visa na there be my idea no. There be idea say there say mu say Intia
cap in hand. Yeah.
Na go mu say anyway. What do you mean? As I mean, Casacribi, na so na yes be press conference, you be sad that you we bread and butter matters, your health problem, your educational problem, your accommodation problem, your housing problem, your job problem. Now John numbers be press conference we now mo be violation of the diplomatic there. Number of times I'm for Abuya before him.
But what happens to our diplomatic?
Diplomat Munko Ukraine Russia. Munko Ukraine Russia. We must settle that diplomacy war. Why do we take the black race as if say a Jimmy? Surprisingly, in Russia about the politics. The IGP might have gone overboard, but no Ghanaian should go and stand behind the so-called British nationality. Why? Must you sovereign? You're not sovereign because many leaders now contribute to a sovereign country. Yes, yes, yes. Now university minister now the way we rest essence of man access. I'm on a coffee break. Now the other two slaves were a country.
Yeah.
What do you want press conference? Number who is your response?
Kwabena Butre.
Make a few. Why?
Kwabena
I didn't know just like that.
Kwabena.
Yeah.
Asante.